Welcome back to SV Learnings. Many years ago, before the invention of refrigerators, sausages were made as a way to preserve meat. They are believed to have originated in Europe. Sausages may be preserved by curing, drying, smoking, or freezing. Nowadays, most fresh sausages must be refrigerated or frozen until they are cooked. A sausage is made from a combination of meat, fat, salt, seasonings, preservatives, and fillers. These are then injected into a casing traditionally made from cleaned animal intestines. Nowadays, artificial casing are also used. They are usually made from pork, beef, or poultry along with salt, spices, other flavorings, and other ingredients like grains or breadcrumbs. Many traditional styles of sausage from Asia and mainland Europe use no bread-based filler and include only meat and flavorings. You are also familiar with hot dog. There is always a misunderstanding that a sausage and hot dog are the same. A hot dog is a kind of sausage. Hot dogs were originally popularized in the United States and are a huge part of the American culture. On the other hand, sausage originated in Europe. The hot dog is not an original sausage and is usually a food for leisure time. A sausage can be eaten for leisure time and also be used in main dishes. Hot dog is normally presented in between a bun that is sliced in half. Sausages that are sold raw are cooked in many ways. They include pan frying, broiling, or barbecuing. Some sausages are cooked during processing. While eating these foods once a while wouldn't make any differences. But eating sausage or hot dog on a regular basis is dangerous. Sausages are emulsion-type products composed of solid fat globules dispersed in protein solution. As it is preserved with salt, too much sodium and fat can increase the heart problem, rise in LDL cholesterol, blockage of arteries, cancer, blood pressure, hypertension, pancreatic cancer, etc. Most sausages use processed meat. Eating any type of processed meat can increase chronic diseases and a higher risk of dying from cardiovascular disease and cancer. Sausages made from turkey and poultry are significantly healthier than red meat. We all know that sausages are made in a wide range of national and regional varieties. It differs in the types of meats and flavors. When the food processing industry produces sausages at a low price point, almost any part of the animal can eat up in sausage and the finest quality contain only choice cut of meat and seasonings. Chemicals such as nitrates and nitrites, which occur naturally in red meat, are often added during meat processing as a preservative. These compounds can be converted into cancer-causing chemicals in the body and lead to stomach cancer. Your comments are my motive. Hope you like this video. Like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.